Shifting our focus to South Africa now, President Cyril Ramaphosa has warned the National Assembly against proceeding with the impeachment process for his conduct in the Phala Phala saga, also known as the cash in sofa scandal. Ramaphosa threatened, saying he would be compelled to seek an intervention from the Western Cape High Court should it proceed. The warning by South African President, meant for the Parliament members, came through his application to the High Court, where Ramaphosa asked to review and set aside the report submitted by independent panel and to cancel any actions taken by the National Assembly based to it. Ramaphosa said in his affidavit that it would be intolerable and a travesty if the National Assembly were to proceed with an impeachment process triggered by the panel's report when a challenge to the lawfulness and validity of that report is pending. Ramaphosa further said that he trusts that the National Assembly will not move ahead. Ramaphosa's review application, it comes as the National Assembly Speaker Thoko Didiza announced the list of 31 MPs on Monday who will serve on the impeachment committee that will probe the Phala Phala matter. MPs have already raised concerns about delays in the process of constituting the committee. The scandal, it centers on the 2020 theft of hundreds of thousands of US dollars that were hidden in a sofa at South African President Cyril Ramaphosa's private game farm, Phala Phala, in Limpopo province. The scandal came to light when former State Security Agency boss Arthur Fraser filed a criminal complaint and accused the president of hiding the cash on his farm instead of in a bank and concealing the robbery from law enforcement authorities. Later, an independent panel investigated the matter and found that Ramaphosa might have a case to answer regarding potential serious violations of his oath of office and the Constitution. Ramaphosa announced earlier this month that he would take the report of the panel, chaired by former Chief Justice Sandile Nkobo, on judicial review in the High Court.
No, you must come down.
We'll get you more on this story from our correspondent Calden, who has sent us this report from Johannesburg.
President Cyril Ramaphosa has approached the Western Cape High Court to challenge the Phala Phala panel report, which found that he may have violated the Constitution and abused his office. Ramaphosa wants the report, including a recommendation for possible impeachment proceedings, set aside. The 2022 independent panel had found prima facie evidence of serious misconduct linked to the Phala Phala farm scandal. In court papers, Ramaphosa argued the panel relied on hearsay, exceeded its powers, and used questionable evidence. The legal challenge follows a constitutional court ruling that Parliament acted unlawfully in rejecting the panel's findings. Parliament has since announced members of the Phala Phala impeachment committee. This is Calden from Johannesburg, South Africa, for WION The World is One.